Get here. Look at that. That's the classic example of being an arrogant foreigner. People even warned me, hey, you can't grow avocados here. There's a beetle that likes to eat them. I said to myself, I'll show them. I'm a permaculturist. I've got my nitrogen fixing trees. I'm gonna chop and drop them, and that's gonna fix everything. And if that fails, I'll just build a hugelkultur. You can see there's already buds coming out from below where it was chewed by the beetle, which probably means that this is all about to die. Maybe there's some small living tissue here still. So here's what happens to about 80% of the avocado trees. You can see the rest of it's laying down right here. I started out with about 1,000 avocado trees on these 10 hectares. I think we're down to about 200. And about 80% of those that are left have this problem with the beetle. We should have planted other trees like this mahambo. More native trees would have been good. I didn't put all my eggs in one basket with the avocados. Of course, the difficult thing about planting so diversely like this is that if I want to harvest this mahambo tree right here, I come all the way over here and I'm out of breath already. And then I gotta go walk 300 meters over that way to go find another one. And then 300 meters that way to go find another one. And that gets a little tedious after a while. But I think it does help a little bit with the pest control. So that's the trade-off. Yeah, and for whatever reason, these avocados in general don't seem to do well. I thought for sure, being that we're in the high jungle, it's a little bit cooler than the low jungle. And we got such a steep property here. I thought that would be great for the drainage, for good avocado production. And we've really been struggling. It's been a very difficult challenge to grow any avocados out here. We had one that had almost like a blossom end rot, which is probably calcium deficiency symptom. And that's what we're up against out here. We could probably throw another $20,000 at the problem and maybe we'll get a couple avocado trees to produce a couple fruit that are good to eat. But you can see here's a good alternative. I wish we would have planted 1,000 of these on our property. The anonas. And look at how beautiful of a fruit that is. And it tastes just as good as it looks. It's an absolutely delicious fruit. But there's our neglect here with the way we planted everything so spread out. There's a number of them that we've already missed because we just weren't able to get over here soon enough.
Hey, if you like this kind of content, leave us a comment and subscribe.